All right, shot pictures earlier, but I forgot to do video. I was actually on the phone, so I couldn't do video, but middle of the battery change, 2014 Cayenne S, VIN number, that's her Umber Metallic. This is Jess's car. Costco Interstate battery. Had to go get the right one because we bought they showed a H7 on their system. It was H8. Actually, what came out of it technically is an H9, but that's the same length and same, actually bigger battery, more cranking amps, and the other one was 92 amp hours. This is 95, so it should be a better battery all the way around. Seats up, getting ready to drop it in, tighten it down, go from there. Oh yeah, today is August 7th or August 8th, 2025. I think it's the 7th, I don't know. All right, battery going in, the vent, negative. Gotta take the rubber gloves off the positive. Pull that. Gotta put I should hook it up first, I guess, and then put the mounts in. Mounts and everything over there. Get where I can work on it. Okay, back in a minute. All right, battery's back in. Positive's on tight, negative on tight. Voltage clip back in. Vent tube is in. That bracket's tightened down. The main one down there is tightened down as well. I think that's all I got to do. I'm gonna crank it and double check everything real quick before I button the seat back up. But other than that, not a bad. Well, I got to put the top back on the battery cap. But other than that, not as bad as I expected, actually. All right, cover back on. This obviously somebody got in there, even though that was the original battery. Somebody had opened this before for some reason. You could tell because you were supposed to be able to still have the carpet intact. But anyway. Not a big deal. We got the battery put in. Already got the bolts torqued down. Just gotta put these little covers back over them. Let's see here. How does that go? What about the music, folks? It may take me a second to get. Yeah, I have to use two hands for that. Covers back on. Let's see here with mileage, 83,983,000. Sorry, I said it weird, but yeah, that's the mileage. August the 7th, 2025. I'll update Carfax when I can. Rear's back on and torque down. All right, done deal. Got to check all the settings. That's a done deal with the battery.